Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. Today in the daily newspaper we continue with the second Sudoku, a medium Sudoku in today's newspaper of Wednesday, September the 9th, 2020. Yes, the second Sudoku is a medium Sudoku, and this will be number 1491. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers, so you have an indication of the difficulty level. We have here 2 plus 4 is 6, plus 3 is equal to 9, plus 3 is 12, 13, plus 4 is equal to 17, plus 4 is 21, plus 4 is 25, plus 2 is equal to 27. So if you compare with the Sudokus in the additional with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, this Sudoku with 27 printed numbers is a 1-star Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. We see here a 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 3 places for 2 should be here, or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. Only place for the 2 should be there. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 3 boxes. Here 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 2 here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. Only place for the 2 should be there, and all the 2's are used, I can see. Digit number 1, yes, alright. Then, which number? How about Yeah. We have a 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for a 6 should be there. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 6. How about the number 4 in this row? 4 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place for the 4 should be here. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this row. 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. I see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. So the 3 and the 8 are missing. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 8 goes there. Then 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 and the 8 are missing. We see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. The 5 goes there. Then. Seven in this column, 7 in that column, so the middle column, the only two places for the 7 here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these two boxes. There are 7, no 7 in those two boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. Then the 8 in this column. 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 8 should be there. How about the number? Yeah, the number. 1, 2, 3. 3 and 5. 2 missing numbers in the middle column. The missing numbers are the 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5, we see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places for the 3 should be here. Oh, there we see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers in this last column. The 3 is missing, the 1 is missing, and the 9 is missing. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 9. 1 box left in this row for the number 5. 2 boxes left in this last column for the numbers 1 and 9. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. The 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 9. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. The 9 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 4 is missing. Yes, 4 is missing. How about the number 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so in the row between, the only two places for the 1 here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. In the third row, 2 missing numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing and the 9 is missing. I cannot fill this yet. 6 and the 9. Let me mark them for you. It's a pair. How about the 3 in the first column? 3 in the third column. So the column between the second column. The only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row, so in the row between, the only place for the 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in the last column, so the column between, the only place for the 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see digit number 2. And then 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above. The only two places for the 5 here. Oh, there we see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, the only two places for the 5 here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 9 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this column, the 1 and the 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 4 and the 6. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 6 goes there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 4. Yes. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 7 and 8. 7 and 8. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first column, the 6 and the 9. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 9 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 9. 9 in this row, 9 in that row, so in the middle row. The only place for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 8. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and 8 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 8. 1 number left in that row for the number 1. And the final number of this big square for the number 6. Finish in 12 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you very soon with the third regular Sudoku. It will be a killer Sudoku. So see you later. Bye bye for now.